Coloureds are not Khoisan. Coloureds are not Khoisan. Coloureds are not Khoisan. I don't know whether this is delusion or cultural expropriation, but a good portion of members in the colored community claim ukuthi they are not colored but Khoisan. Okokuqala nje, the analysis claiming ukuthi you're not colored but Khoisan in itself is wrong because being colored is a race and being Khoi is a tribe. Yabo? So you should say, I'm not colored, I'm black. Yabo? However, they do not want to identify as black. Yabo? They only want to identify as Khoisan because Khoisan has land benefits. Yabo? They claim Tina, the Bantu people, are invaders. Therefore, we should leave South Africa and leave it to them. Yang So, and again, the people saying this, not like that, like they have DNA tests to prove which they are Khoisan. It's not like they speak the language. And even if they could speak the language, I'm speaking English as we speak. That doesn't mean I'm white. They don't practice the traditions or the culture. They only want to claim their identity, which is preposterous. So, why do they claim ukuthi they are Khoisan and why they are Khoisan and why do they claim ukuthi we are invaders? To understand these people and their claims, we have to visit the Bantu expansion, now known as the Bantu expansion myth. The Bantu expansion myth claims that we, the Bantu people, originate from Congo 6,000 to 2,000 years ago, then we migrated to the south. Firstly, this theory ayisho ukuthi before Congo, besiguphi, it just says we come from Congo, which is just null and void. Secondly, the people who created these theories were racist, imperialist, enslavers. Therefore, the theories they had created would not benefit us, the natives, would not benefit us, the people. And thirdly, migration is a natural phenomenon. Every African has migrated. The Khoisan have migrated. The Bantu have migrated. The Xisk have migrated. So this idea, ukuthi, just because this group migrated, therefore, and most importantly, this theory was created and founded by white racists. The only time it is used is to delegitimize our then claims. Never in any other time. The only time it is used is to delegitimize our then claims. So as benefit in any other way, it proves what stating is false. But the only time it is used is to delegitimize our then claims. Like any context they use this theory. The only time they use this theory is to delegitimize our then claims. Paired. A friend of mine claims ukuthi this is a psyop, a psychological operation with white supremacist agendas. But the reason these people claim to be what they claim to be is to divide. And not just divide us as the people. They even produced a map. These people produced a map of South Africa to cut in half. 50% to the Western Cape belonging to them, the Khoisan and the white people. Then the rest belonging to us, like KZN, Uganda, Limpopo. Which proves that thing is a white supremacist perspective, it's a white supremacist ideology, perpetuating white supremacist agendas, trying to delegitimize our claims. But if so busy arguing about who are the actual, arguing about are you Khoi or not, even if Masiti you are Khoi. Khois are Africans, and the Nati are all Africans. To conclude, the natives of South Africa are Africans. And I don't have to say the natives of South Africa are Bantu people. We just have to look at the 1913 Native Then Act. We just have to look at the apartheid, which are signs by what Europeans, coloreds, Indians, natives. Who were the natives? And finally, like if you know history, you know of the 1884 Berlin Conference, where the Europeans bahlangana and they decided to split Africa because they didn't want to fight amongst themselves over resources in Africa. Not us Africans. It wasn't us who divided in Africa. It wasn't us who created South Africa. No, was it us who created Botswana, Kenya, Malawi, Uganda, nawo wonke lamakhandla. Ayenziwe ama-colonialist, yabo. It's only nje ukuthi thina we are born in these countries. We ama-grant, if you thola i-grant, you get ama-grants from the government of that country. If you use public facilities, use public facilities of that country, not from Africa, and sort of that particular country. So therefore, siba loyal vele to that country. Mara if nje kusasa bangavuka bathi lama-border lanka awabhalwa abilungu, sawa acknowledge the same way people can just jump their fence leya bahambe baye eZimbabwe or baye eMozambique. Like, so kubeka sibe yithi ama-Africans. Like, we don't have to be Khoi to be indigenous to this land. Unlike some people who they have to claim any identity to be indigenous. So now we just exist